In the quiet village of Riwai, Meghalaya, where thousands visit the living root bridge, one man has been quietly cleaning the village for over 10 years. Without pay, without fame, a silent guardian of the village. A humble hero of the hills. This is Molan Krom. And this is his story. A story of quiet leadership.
My name is Molan Krom. I was born in Nowet village. I have been cleaning the village for more than 10 years, because it is home to the living root bridge. The people who join me are mostly children. I want to give special thanks to the mothers who sent their children to help me. I also thank my family for supporting me in this journey. And to my friends, thank you for giving me the chance to continue this work. Thank you so much.